How to change email on Microsoft account. So for us to get this done, I want you to head over first to account.microsoft.com, and then you're going to log in your Microsoft account here. After doing so, what we are going to do is just click our info here, this one. Make sure you choose your info, and then what we are going to do from this point forward is just basically locate our email. So we're going to go ahead and scroll down, look for your account info where your email is located, and then click edit account info. And then from here, what we are going to do is we need to add a new email in order for us to be able to remove the first one. So again, the Vladimir Shakiv here only has one V. I'm going to add another one that has two V. So this one right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and just basically add it here. So click this one, and then I'm just going to go ahead and type it here just like so, and then click add alias. Alright, now that we have added it, we have to verify it. So click this one right here, click send email, and then we're going to go ahead and check this one. So there you go. I'm going to click it, and then here is how we can do this. I'm just going to click this one here in order to verify it. Alright, there you go. So we have now successfully verified it. Now I'm just going to click make primary just like so. Click yes. And there you go. So the double V now has become our primary alias, and this one has become a secondary. So you have the option to remove it or just leave it here. It's definitely up to you. But yeah, basically that is how you're going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.